This is a fit for a 2015 through 2017 Subaru WRX four-door sedan without factory fixed point connections. We've outfitted this vehicle with aftermarket fixed point connections using the Rhino-Rack RDMO1 ditch mount brackets. These brackets require drilling and riveting into the ditch channel to support this Thule Rapid Podium AeroBlade base roof rack system. This system comprises the AeroBlade load bars in black, 47 inches in length, the Rapid Podium Foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which is part number KIT 3068. And that threads in directly to the RMDO1 ditch mount brackets. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule and Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.